I'm Sasha and welcome to my brand new channel, and it is a very short video to introduce myself. So I will be sharing haul videos, DIYs, makeup videos. So stay tuned for that, and I'm also on Instagram where I post IGTVs, stories and many other stuff. So I will be mentioning the name somewhere on the screen so you guys can follow me. Also, I will be coming back with a brand new video very soon. So stay tuned for that, and do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you cannot miss my upcoming videos. And thank you.